All even-numbered rounds are worked with the contrast-colored marl. My marl has the pink and blue in it. There are no cables to be worked on the even-numbered rounds. You will see background stitches. These are stitches that have 2 loops on the needle. All the other stitches are design element stitches. The stitches that are in one of the contrast colors will be knit through the back loop on this round. Design elements in the main color will be slipped purlwise with our marl and back. Let's work across this round. These first stitches are design elements. Their color is not in the current marl, so I'm going to slip them purlwise with my marl and back. The next 2 stitches have 2 loops on the needles, so they're background stitches, and I'll knit them. I'll slip these next design elements, whose color is not in my current marl. I'll knit these 2 background stitches. These next design elements are in pink. Pink is in my current marl, so I'll knit these through the back loop with the pink only. I'll continue working across this round in a similar way. I've come to these blue design elements. The blue is in my current marl, so I'm going to knit these through the back loop with the blue only.